what happens when all... I gotta pause this, or it'll get me for copyright. Yes. Gotta turn it down or something. There we go. They're watching the Addams Family cartoon, per usual. But this is what happens when 3 of the babies go home. It's time for them all to play together. And of course, the 2 are going after the interactive toy. The other 4 are kind of curious. Go, Dempsey. Show the rest of them how it works. Go, Bowser. Hey, you guys. I got the crab over here, too. Get it. There you go. She's like, wowza. What is that thing? You gotta share. You gotta share, Bowser. You guys are all in the same area now. Showing you guys just how big the other crew has gotten. Tomorrow they get their nails done, so I'm gonna go ahead and video that and show you guys how well they're doing. They're so silly. Did you guys find the Kong? Ooh, I think I know what your favorite toy is. He's like, it got taken away by the other kids. And they got their slide, which they love the slide. Get it, buddy. Maze, here's your toy. Here's your toy right there. Yeah, you love that thing. Hey, you're supposed to go up the stairs. Tomorrow, Mama's gonna go ahead and do your stairs. Yeah. So I'm not gonna open this up any bigger. I gotta clean this area out and have it ready for morning so that I can just swap them over. And then I can clean this area. That makes it easier. But I need to get the stairs in here tomorrow because it's your guys' turn to learn the stairs. Yes, it is. Hi, birdies. Hi, Bowser. What you doing? Hi, Princess. I love you. I do. I do love you all. I love you all. What you doing? Are you queen of the slide? I think you guys are going to do really well with the steps. You use the stairs on the slide all the time. What do you think? So Bowser and Dempsey are 2 weeks older than the other 4. Than the Brindles. Yeah. You guys having fun? Yeah? Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Yeah, we got to get your guys' nails done again. Then she's like, I want in the middle of this. You're crazy. What are you doing, Maze? Wrong way. Go the other way. Go the other way, Maze. Oh, mother's babies. She's like, I'm out. All right, well, there's the kids for tonight. Having fun. They got their interactive toys. They're learning how to be vocal. They already had supper. Oh, you love me, don't you? Yes, you do. You love me. Yes. Yes, you do. You're a princess. And I'm going to let these guys go ahead and play. And of course, I'm going to turn their cartoon back on before they go to bed. Yeah, before they go to bed, honeys. You handsome feller. You're a handsome feller. Yes, you are. Yes. All right, guys. Enjoy.